Good morning. Today, I am presenting the Enterprise Post-Meeting Orchestration System, a solution built to automate the most critical yet time-consuming administrative task in business, managing meeting follow-up. The challenge is simple: manual processing leads to inefficiency. Delayed summaries mean lost momentum, missing action items lead to lack of accountability, and the administrative lag prevents teams from focusing on real work. Meet the Enterprise Post-Meeting Orchestration System, a robust solution built entirely on the Google Agent Development Kit. The goal was to prove the full power of the ADK native features in one production-ready workflow. Let's demonstrate 4 high-value, native ADK capabilities. The parallel workflow slashes synthesis time. The memory bank retrieves historical context. Native tools handle secure external data calls. And MCP governance ensures human quality control before any final action is taken. Everything begins with the Orchestrator, the conductor. It performs essential data retrieval, dynamically identifying all participants, querying corporate database for their contact details, and most importantly, pulling relevant context from the ADK memory bank to prime the system. No more repeating old decisions. Next, the content agent team executes the core synthesis tasks using the ADK parallel workflow. The task extractor quickly identifies all action items and, via an OpenAPI tool, instantly creates tickets in Jira. Simultaneously, the summary generator creates the narrative report, ensuring maximum throughput. Governance is critical. The review agent first uses an LLM as a judge to verify the summary's quality. If passed, it triggers the managed control point, pausing the workflow as a long-running operation. It then waits for human-in-the-loop approval before resuming, ensuring zero risk of accidental dispatch. The final agent uses its reasoning capabilities to craft a professional email subject line, then uses a custom tool use call to dispatch the content. Crucially, ADK observability logs every step for complete audit compliance. The results are compelling. By replacing a typical 45-minute manual process with a 2-minute automated workflow, the ADK system delivers an efficiency gain of over 95%, freeing up valuable employee time. And the future scope is focused on making this system a proactive partner via deep Google Workspace integration. This means leveraging Calendar and Gmail APIs to automatically schedule follow-up meetings. We will also integrate Vertex AI Vision for multimodal input and move the backend to Vertex AI Vector Search for industry-ready scalability and context retrieval. This project showcases a robust, scalable, and fully observable solution to a core enterprise pain point, powered entirely by the ADK. Thank you.